here we are. So the unboxing of the XS Max 512GB iPhone Space Grey. It came in one day in Australia. It was shipped from Sydney, so pretty quick. It wasn't in stock in the Vodafone store. So a standard courier box. A box within a box. Super exciting. 512GB. I can definitely store a lot of media and files on there. Here's the glorious unwrapping. Crispy. So before I show you the phone, I'll show you what's inside. The typical Apple documents, Apple stickers, the SIM pin, charger port, earphones, not earpods, and standard lightning cable. So here it is, the iPhone XS Max Space Grey. Thought you'd like to listen to those sound effects. And yeah, the design is absolutely flawless. Once again, Apple has topped their design quality. Everything's just pretty amazing. However, that's not the main focus of my personal desire for a new smartphone. It feels great in the hand, and once we begin booting it up and we go through all of the typical iPhone iOS 12 starts, what's really good is you can have your old phone and basically just activate it with your old phone running iOS 12, and it will just set everything up for you. So we have Face ID, which is really good. Blah 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 blah. Welcome to your iPhone. So there it is. Looks great. I don't want to go into too much detail. There's a chrome edge that when you get liquid on it, it actually becomes multicolored. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to be putting up another video about the iPhone's performance, especially in a professional setting, such as a wedding, for a video. Subscribe to the channel because I'll be putting more videos like this on the Tim McCartney DP channel. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day and week ahead. Peace.